What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be helping you make your boring vlogs a little bit more interesting. So the first thing that you have to do is be more upbeat, because nobody wants to listen to you when you're talking like this. You kind of have to be more excited and fluent and a little bit more happy, because that's realistically what people want to hear. Nobody really wants to hear you being down. People want to hear you being more excited, more energetic, and just more interesting in general. So that's the first thing. Quicker cuts, because nobody really wants to see you walking down the street or driving down the street for 30 seconds. Maybe if you cut that down into like a 5-second clip, 10-second clip, it'll be a lot more visually pleasing and keep people more engaged in your content. The next thing up is find your music. The music is key in your video, because if you're bike racing or say chasing your dog in the park, you can't have slow music because then it's not gonna fit your video properly. And there's like a squirrel running up on me right now. Look at this. Oh, he's scared now. Anyways, you can't have slow music in your video. You'd have to have more fast, upbeat paced music, more dramatic, because that'll fit your video a little bit better and it'll be more entertaining. That's why when you're watching all these Hollywood films, the music builds up and it's really more dramatic. There's a really dramatic, fast-paced, heart-pumping music when there's doing like a chase, like a car chase, or someone's running after the bad guy or anything like that. The next thing up is to have a plan. Like if you're going to the store and you want to film that, don't start at your house and then jump straight to the store, because that won't make sense. You have to build it up. So if you're going to the store, you have to start at your house, maybe film yourself leaving your house on the way, maybe you're walking to the store, or maybe you're taking a car, maybe film yourself getting into the car, in the car, getting to the store, maybe film the store sign. I don't know exactly how you want to film it, but don't just film yourself at home and then cutting to a random scene of you in the store, unless that's the look you're going for. Add some maybe transitions where it's like, all right, I'm gonna go to the store now, snap your fingers, you're in a store. The next thing up is color correction, because a lot of smaller vloggers don't do any color correction. So whatever the colors look like straight over the camera is kind of what you get on YouTube, and nobody really likes that. Like, if you're filming somewhere where there has like a lot of yellow tones, it's not going to be visually pleasing. And then maybe it cuts from like yellow to like super blue, and then back to yellow, and then it's all over the place. It's not really visually pleasing, and it kind of hurts the eyes, in my opinion. Yeah, or it's like super overexposed, it's super underexposed, and none of that is really good. So do a little bit of color correction, it'll go a long way. So the last thing is to be less random. If you just have a whole bunch of random clips of you through a whole weekend thrown together in no particular order, it's going from like night, day, night, day, night, day, morning, afternoon, inside, outside, at a store, at the mall, eating food, back home. It's kind of all random, and if there's not really a story behind it all, then it's gonna be kind of odd and weird looking. So try to make a story out of your footage, like whether it's you going to, I don't know, buy an iPod. Do people even buy iPods anymore? Say you're going to buy a new cell phone and the whole vlog was leading up to you buying this new cell phone and then unboxing it and using it and how you like it. That would be a better video than your whole week and just random clips and you buying an iPhone and then you calling it buying an iPhone, but it doesn't really relate to you buying an iPhone because that iPhone clip was 20 seconds long in like a 10-minute video of you just doing a whole bunch of randomness. So try to make it less random and more story orientated, because then you'll really capture the viewer's eye, and you'll have a better viewership and following and more engagement, because it's more entertaining than anything else. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the tips. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if I left any tips out that you would recommend, please leave it in the comments below, and maybe I'll make a part 2. But anyways, I'm out. Peace.